Alright guys, today we're checking out the Curt tow hitch, rated for 6,000 pounds, 900 pound tongue weight, 8,000 pound weight distribution. We're going to be checking this product out, paid around $180 on Amazon. We're going to be checking out the welds, everything, hardware, and we're going to be installing it today to see if this thing is worth the $180. Stay tuned. Here we are. We'll be checking out the welds. So far welds seem decent, not really welded all the way across, but you know, let's see here, the welds seem okay and everything's nicely painted, no missed spots. This thing's fairly heavy at around I'd say around 80 pounds. Welds look nice here, nice here. Wish this weld was a little better all the way across, but I don't think it's a problem. But here's the hardware it comes with. Galvanized screws. So far so good. Pretty beefy 22 millimeter with the washers, with the instructions. So these are the things we're going to be using today. Impact wrench, using the drill gun to attach the metal wire brush to clean out the threads. Got some WD-40, torque wrench, and the whole set here. So first thing what we're going to be doing is cleaning out the threads from all the rust and make sure everything bolts up nicely. Alright, we're underneath the car. As you can see, these are the mounting points for the trailer hitch to the frame. Spare tire. As you can see, it's a bit rusted out, so we're going to be cleaning out the threads using some WD-40. Alright, spray some in there. Let it soak in a little bit. I'm going to be doing the other side and then coming back here to use the wire brush to clean them out. Alright, we're back here. Sorry for the noise. The neighbor decided to mow their lawn in the late afternoon. So I'm going to be using this, setting at the lowest setting. Lowest torque setting, doing this lightly. Cleaning out the threads. Make sure they're nice and clean. See all the rust build up on there. Next one. See all the rust. Let's go one more pass on this end. Alright, looks pretty decent. Let's test out those bolts and see if they screw in all the way. Alright, got one of the bolts here. So let's see. This thing goes in. No problem. Yeah, still a little crunchy, but you know, not too bad. Clean out those threads. Might help if I use the torque wrench a little bit to break through some of that rust. So let me grab that. All right, got the torque wrench. Impact seems to be going in all the way, no issues. Back out, no problems. Now I'm gonna be doing this to all 4 threads to make sure everything's cleared out and there's no snags and we don't break any bolts. So be right back. All right, my mistake. There's actually 3 holes, 1, 2, 3, for a total of 6. So make sure you look for every mounting hole and clean all those things out. As you can see, all the rust that has been building up on this one here. So spray some WD-40, some metal wire brush, and then test torque it in to make sure it goes all the way in, which I did, and all seems good. So let's get some help and get this tow hitch on. Alright, so apparently for the Honda Pilots and the Acura MDXs, you're gonna have to go into your trunk and lower your spare, because you're not gonna get this in with the spare in the way. So we just lowered it maybe, a quarter of the way down, so we're able to fit the tow hitch snugly underneath the car. And as you can see here, it's all fully mounted. Don't forget to torque your bolts to 139 foot-pounds, and make sure you check your manuals because every car is different. So for the Honda Pilot, it's 139. So far it looks good. Here we're going to be installing a Harbor Freight carrier, so that's why we're getting this tow hitch. I got some damage here. I did not come like that, so it's on me. But so far looks good, looks clean, the fit looks good. As you can see here, looks great. So we'll check back in 6 months after I use this thing for the whole summer. Gonna be carrying a lot of stuff, so yeah, if you want to check it out, I have a link in my description below. Thank you guys for watching.